Restoring Colorado's Forest Fund is a donor-funded program established to provide no-cost seedlings to landowners whose properties have been impacted by wildfires and other natural disasters. Reforestation helps to protect water supplies, reduce flooding and erosion, and restore wildlife habitat. Active reforestation efforts are especially pertinent considering the increased frequency, size, and severity of wildfires that have stalled the natural recovery of impacted forests.
31 of the 40 acres had burned, all on the top, and it was all standing burned timber. Looked very moonscapey when we bought it in 2019. This was part of the High Park fire in 2012.
Landowners in Colorado are encouraged to apply for no-cost seedlings through the Restoring Colorado's Forest Fund during the annual application period.
I know each tree individually, and we've got about over 3,500 planted so far. We've got 120 acres. We started out with 40 and then expanded it to 120.
It was an opportunity to really take some land that I didn't think anybody else was going to bother with and see what we could do.
It's nice to have the foresters come up once a year and consult with us. And having the seedling grants is a big help because it's quite a financial commitment.
For those interested in donating in support of this program, every $2 donation pays for one seedling, which will be planted in areas affected by forest fires or other disturbances across Colorado.
I just have a vision of the property, 30, 50 years from now.
We've got a little boy who's going to be turning 5 here, and really my wife and I are doing this for him,
I'm never going to really see the results very much, so you just kind of have to do it for the earth and for the land.
Thank you for your support and for sharing our mission of stewardship of Colorado's forests.